Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add text to your image in Elementor. First of all, you need to upload an image. Click on this plus icon and choose your structure. I'll choose this first structure. Then I'll go to style and from here I'll select classic background type and then I'll choose my image. I'll select file. I'll download this file and then I'll click on select. And from here I can change the position if I want it in the center or center left. Then I'll go to advanced and from here I can increase the padding size. I'll go back to style and then I'll change the position again. Okay, I think it's good. Then I'll click on this box and then I'll drag this heading box in, paste it here. Now I can add my text here and here I'll type free chat GPT and I'll keep it in the center and I can also change the size. I'll keep it large. Once you're done editing, then click on publish. So this is how you can add text to your image with Elementor. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.